Our main reason for beginning this construction process was really because of our 5 new physicians. 2 new ophthalmologists, Dr. Berg and Dr. Luo, and 3 new optometrists, Dr. Hollingsworth, Dr. Williams, and Dr. Mars. And the need for them to be able to see patients in a new space because there really just wasn't enough room in our existing space for those 3 new doctors.
So I was in the same building actually before the addition was added on, and so we had 4 or more doctors in there with very limited exam rooms, and so it just kills our efficiency. You have longer wait times and you're just fighting over those exam rooms to see patients.
Each one of our optometrists really works out of 2 or 3 rooms to see patients, to get that flow going as patients are coming in and patients are going out. It becomes a math equation, X number of rooms for X number of doctors.
At some point in your life, everyone's going to need some eye care. And with this new space, it allows us to see several patients per hour, many patients per day, and our doors are open and we have the space to help them realize their vision goals.
So having that whole addition just opens up just more room for us to do what we need to do, but it also just lets our patients spend less time in the building, which I know they appreciate.
I first met Mike, I'd been here maybe 3 to 6 months. We'd seen each other around the community at different events over the years. I called him up, found out from the website and then talking to him that McRae had some extensive eye construction experience, which was really key to what we wanted to do. I continued to talk to him, did put the project out to bid, and really both a combination of financial viability, financial responsibility, as well as the experience that McRae has in the eye world, really is how we got to where we are today.
Dr. Black's is a really cool organization that we were excited to be able to have an opportunity to be able to work with. They have a stellar reputation in the community, and the way that they treat employees and their staff and all the ownership is just a great organization and somebody that we definitely wanted to be able to partner with. We've got a pretty long resume of working with various physician-owned optometry practices, and it definitely fit the criteria of somebody that we would want to work with. One of the elements that I'm pretty proud of is that our design team came up with a really good design that allowed for very efficient use of space. We were able to capitalize on some comfortable patient waiting areas. We worked very hard to be able to come up with an efficient flow of patients to be able to make sure that it all had a good solid flow about it.
I feel like the new space was designed very intentionally with the patient in mind. So I feel like it'll take kind of all the stress away and just allow me to really communicate with my patients and just give them the best care possible.
There are very nice rooms, waiting rooms as well, patient comfort, patient satisfaction. It really helps when we have several doctors who might be in this space using it at one time, but it doesn't seem busy, it doesn't seem crowded. It's a very nice fit for the space.
It's inviting, just really open design with how they built that space, and so it just, I feel like it invites our patients in and just creates a nice warm atmosphere for everyone.
The best thing about the new space is it's causing us to reconsider our patient process in terms of flow. You know, I would very much recommend McRae for similar or other types of projects. One thing that I really appreciate when I've had projects going on is the amount of cleanup and the amount of pre and post the day starting. Whether it was talking about where trucks were being parked or fencing or cleanup inside the building or just going over there, dropping in, walking through, the reception that I received, that, you know, not that I was impeding upon them or bothering them, always a warm welcome. So, very good.
I would definitely recommend McRae Enterprises in the future. They were a great company to work with, and the finished product really does just speak for itself.
The finished product here is outstanding, and the quality of work has been just unparalleled. And I've had a wonderful experience from start to finish, and would certainly use them again.
McRae Enterprises is suited to be a strong partner in commercial construction. While McRae Enterprises is pretty multifaceted, it does carry a specialty in healthcare facility construction. In all fairness, that is really where we got started almost 20 years ago, was working specifically for optometry practices in this region.